How to change emote in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Next, tap on the avatar icon in the bottom middle bar. This will take you to your character customization screen. Tap on Customize. Here you will see different sections like clothing, accessories, emotes, and more. Tap on Emotes. After that, you will see the available emotes that you have already added or unlocked. To change the emote, tap on Other Emotes rather than the one that's currently ticked. This way, you can change your emote. Repeat the same process to change other emotes. You can add up to 8 emotes where you can assign different emotes to each slot. Tap on any slot and choose one from the list of available emotes. Now when you are in the game, tap the emote button and your wheel will appear with the new emotes you have selected. Just tap on and your avatar will perform it immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to change emote in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.